ERD repairs servo drives, like this one made by OKUMA, as well as all other industrial electronics. We also offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The OKUMA BLIII-D is the drop-in replacement for the BLII-D series of servo drives. Here you see the OKUMA servo drive being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.